Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you are well. It is a pleasure for me to be here with you today. Okay, guys, today we are going to work on a very interesting topic and we must be very attentive to the explanations. Well, I'm going to show you some pictures and you are going to tell what action you are doing. I have some pictures. Well, I am going to question. What action are you doing? What action are you doing? What is the verb? What is the action in the picture? The verb. The verb is eat. What is the action? He is eating. Very good. What action are you doing? Very well. She is running. What is? Very good. They are cleaning the house, the company. So, what is the action? Okay. They are dancing in the disco. Very good. Good work. So, what action are you doing? Well, they are playing football. So, now we are understand. So the pictures, look at the pictures. Now we all understand that the girl is performing an action right now. Well, so what's that? We have a verb. What is the verb? Is ran. Is ran. And you are performing an action. Example. If in the picture the action the girl does is running, and I ask them, what is the girl doing? What is the girl doing? She is running. She is running. Very good. It is running. What is the verb? Ran. And what is the girl doing? She is running. Very good. So, let's continue. Who you will answer? She is running. Very well. She is running. So, what happened? We added A M G. AMG. Good? To our verb to complement the action. Then the topic we are going to work today is called present continuous or present progressive or gerund. Present continuous. Well, explain. The present continuous, progressive, or gerund is a very easy grammatical find, guys. Well, because it indicates an action that is being carried out at the moment. Also, also called a gerund, but what is gerund? Gerund is verb plus AMG. Well, what is the verb? The verb is go plus IMG. Is equal out going. Well, the verb to add EIMG. So, go plus IMG. Going. Very good. Okay, the other examples. Well, the verb is usually added with ing. So, example with the other verbs. So, go. The other verb can be help, and the other verb, so read. What happened here? We are going to add it. We are going to add there A and G. So, going, helping, and reading. This is the present continuous. This is the present progressive. This is the gerund. Very good. Understand to me? Very good. So, okay, let's go. There are 3 rules. And the other rule, very good. If the verb ends in consonant and present by E, the letter E is removed that ing. So, example. Come. The verb come. Your end is the consonant pressed by E. What happened here? Okay. We are going to remove the E and add A and G. Coming. Very good. Coming. Well, coming. The other verb, give. The other verb, write. So, what happened? We are going to remove E. We are going to remove E and add it ing. A-N-G. Very good. Coming, giving, writing. Good? Understand to me? Very good. This is a rule. To remove the A, to press it present by consonant. Other rule, if the verb has a single syllable and the ends in a vowel and the single consonant, the consonant is doubled. What happened, teacher? I don't know, teacher. Well, and this rule there, and the other verb can be but other verb let, other verb is around. So, teacher, I added A-N-G. Yes, alright, but I need the other rules. What is the rule, teachers? When the verb ends in the consonant is doubled. Well, so press it to vowel and the consonant. So double the consonant in A and G. Double the consonant A and G, and double the consonant N and G. Alright. He said parting, letting, running. Very good. So, okay guys, do you understand to me? Yes, alright. So I'm going to activity. I'm going to do activity. Well, activity. That's very easy, guys. So, well, guys, in this activity, we are going to complement the sentence with the verb and the nouns taking into account to the picture. How, teacher? Well, I have a sentence. The first sentence, I space a salad. Well, so the verb is eat. Example. Look at the pictures. Now he is eat the sandwich, the salad. Anyway. So the verb is eat. To add it, eat. But this wood brown is brown. Not as good. So what do you need? Well, to add the present progressive M and G. I'm eating a salad. Very good. Well, very good. So the other sentence, that space a delicious meal. Well, meal. What is the verb? The verb is cook. I need in the space, add in the space, cook. Very good. Brown is bad. What happened? Yes, alright. I need present progressive A and G. Very good. Very good. And so we are answering the other points. Let's continue. And the other activity. So, in the other activity, we are going to talk at the picture, and we are going to put the sentence according to the picture with the present progressive. For example, this is the pictures. I'm going to look at the pictures and I write the sentence in the present progressive. Very good. For example, she is, the verb is around. I remember the rules, yes, when to do both the consonant. Yes, alright. M-A-M-G. She is running. Very good. Very good. So, the other example, I'm going to look at the pictures. I look at the pictures and I write the sentence. They are dense. Yes, alright, they are dense. This is good, not as good. So, to the A and added A and G. They are dancing in the disco. Well, the complement. Very good. Do you understand? Well, let's continue. So, well guys, this has been all for today. I hope and it has been very significant. It's a pleasure. No more. Goodbye.